Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing an exterior detail on this Audi A5 convertible and then finishing it off with an easy to use and affordable ceramic spray coating. I'll be walking you through the whole process, so be sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss out. Since this is a convertible, I'm going to get this detail started by washing the convertible top. I always start this process by rinsing off the top with my garden sprayer. This isn't something that I would recommend doing with a pressure washer, since there's a chance you could damage the top or get water inside the car. To help lift dirt out of the top, I'm going to be using 303's tonneau cover and convertible top cleaner. This is one of my favorite products for cleaning convertible tops. It's super easy to use, and with a price tag under $10, it's not going to break the bank either. Using this product is easy. Just spray it onto the top and use a soft bristle brush to work it onto the surface. I'm using two brushes here. One is a boar's hair detail brush from the Detail Factory, and the other is a horsehair interior brush. I find the detail brush great for working along the stitched seams, whereas the other brush is great for covering the larger sections of the top. After scrubbing the whole top, I'm going to rinse it again with my garden sprayer. You'll notice that these cloth tops hold a lot of cleaning solution, so you're going to want to be thorough when rinsing. The next step is rinsing off the car to remove any loose dirt from the paint surface. I prefer to use a pressure washer here, but if you don't have one, a garden hose with a spray nozzle will work just as well. If you look closely at the hood of this car, you can see that the water is just clinging to the paint. That gives me a good indication that any waxes or sealants that were previously applied have since failed. Since these products are designed to protect the paint from UV radiation and other pollutants, that's something we definitely want to address. I'm going to fast forward through cleaning the wheels since I just did a video on my complete wheel cleaning process. If you want to check that video out for yourself, I've added a link in the description below. With the car rinsed off, it's now time for some foam. For that, I'm using a foam cannon with some decontamination soap from Obsessed Garage. This soap has a high pH and is intended to be used to remove waxes and oils from the paint surface. Now this isn't a soap I would use with maintenance washes, but in this case, since we're going to be applying a sealant later on, this is going to help the sealant get a good bond with the paint surface. After foaming the car, I'm going to work my way around the vehicle using a soft bristle detail brush to get into the cracks and other tight spaces that I won't be able to cover with my wash mitt. This is an attention to detail kind of thing, and in my opinion, it's one of those steps that can make a big difference in making your car look great. I'm now going to go over the car with my wash mitt. I have two buckets set up off camera, one with soapy water for washing, and another with just plain water for rinsing off my mitt. After dunking my mitt in the wash bucket, I'm going to use it to work in straight lines over the painted surfaces and windows of the car. After every panel or so, I'm going to flip the mitt over and use the other side. And after using both sides, I'm going to go rinse my mitt out in the rinse bucket to release any dirt trapped in the fibers of my mitt, and then I'm going to dunk the mitt back into the wash bucket and repeat the process. After finishing up with the wash, I'm going to give the car a final rinse. Now since there's a good chance I got some of the soap on the convertible top, I'm going to start by rinsing that off with the hose again. I'm then going to follow that up with the pressure washer to remove the rest of the soap residue from the paint surface. Now it's time to dry the car. For this step, I'm using a twist loop microfiber drying towel from the Rag Company. I have the towel folded in quarters, and I'm going to drag it over each of the panels to remove the remaining water. I'm being careful not to apply too much pressure. Since most scratches and swirls come from washing and drying, I'm using only the weight of the towel and my hand to dry the car. With the car dry, it's time to add some protection to the paint. Today, I'm going to be using Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Sealant. A bottle of this sells for about $15, and you should be able to find it at your local Walmart or auto parts store. This is another product that is extremely easy to use. I suggest starting with 2 microfiber towels, each folded in quarters. Give the bottle a good shake, and then apply 1 to 2 sprays directly on the panel. Use one of the towels to spread the product around, and then use the second towel to buff off any remaining residue. If you're having trouble controlling the overspray, you can also spray the product directly onto your towel, and then use that to spread it onto the paint surface. Whichever way you use the product, be sure to keep track of which towel you use to apply the product, and which one you use to remove it. After you've finished applying the product, Turtle Wax recommends giving it 24 hours to cure. If applied properly, this product offers anywhere between 6 to 12 months of durability, which is just amazing for a product that is so affordable and easy to find. And with that, we're done with the application, and here are the results. Overall, this product was super easy to use. If you're a weekend detailer, like me, and you clean a lot of cars for your friends and family, this is an awesome product to add to your cabinet. I really had a lot of fun making this video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And that's all for now. Until next time, this is Ryan with Allison Detailing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.